Ongoing Algeria, Mauritania, Tunisia, Libya, Mali, Niger, Chad, France, Morocco. International missions: MINUSMA, AFISMA, EUTM, Mali, GSPCMO, JWA, Ansar al-Sharia, Islamic State of Iraq and The Levant. Abdelmajid Tebboune, Abdelaziz Gerard, Mohammed Ould Ghazouani, Mohammed Ould Bilal Kis Said Hicham Mekichi, Prime Minister Fayez al-Sarraj, Agula Saleh Issa, Field Marshal Khalifa Haftar, Ba Endo Mokhtar Ouan, Mamadou Issoufou, Brigui Rafini, Idriss Deby, Emmanuel Macron, Jean Castex, King Muhammad VI, Saadetdine Othmani, Amari Safi, Nabil Saroy, Abdel-Malik Drokdal, Abdulahmad Abu Zaid, Omar Ould Hamaha, Mokhtar Belmokhtar, Iyad Ag Gahaili, Ahmad al-Tilimsi, Sifala Ben Hassini, Mohammad al-Zahawi, AQIM 5,000 plus, Salafia Jihadiya 700 plus, Islamic State of Iraq and the Levant. Major conflict casualties. The insurgency in the Maghreb refers to the Islamist insurgency in the Maghreb and Sahel regions of North Africa that followed on from the Algerian Civil War. The Algerian militant group Salafist Group for Preaching and Combat has been able to control some limited territory in the ongoing civil war since 2014, amid allegations of local collaboration between the rival AQIM and ISIL. With the decline of the armed Islamic Group of Algeria, the GSPC was left as the most active rebel group. With about 300 fighters in 2003, it continued an assassination campaign of police and army personnel in its area, and also managed to expand into the Sahara, where its southern division, led by Amari Safi, kidnapped a number of German tourists in 2003. Before being forced to flee to sparsely populated areas of Mali, and later Niger and Chad, where he was captured. Some believe that El Para actually works for the Algerian government. By late 2003, the group's founder had been supplanted by the even more radical Nabil Saroy, who announced his open support for Al-Qaeda, thus strengthening government ties between the US and Algeria. He was reportedly killed shortly afterwards, and was succeeded by Abu Musab Abdel Wadoud in 2004. The GSPC has declared its intention to attack Algerian, French, and American targets. It has been designated as a foreign terrorist organization by the U.S. Department of State, and similarly classed as a terrorist organization by the European Union. The conflict with the GSPC continued to result in a significant number of casualties in Algeria, with over 1,100 killed in clashes with Islamist rebels in 2002. In 2003, a total 1,162 were killed in clashes in Algeria, followed by 429 killed in 2004, 488 killed in 2005, and 323 killed in 2006. In early 2006, the head of the Algerian National Police claimed that terrorism had nearly been eliminated in the country, but significant attacks continued, and 2007 would eventually mark a height of suicide bombings and terrorist attacks in Algeria. In order to improve recruiting and funding, the GSPC aligned itself with Al-Qaeda, and on the 11th of September 2006, Al-Qaeda leader Ayman al-Zawahiri announced a union between the groups. The GSPC rebranded itself as Al-Qaeda in the Islamic Maghreb in January 2007, signaling the broadened aspirations of the group. The group now aimed to overthrow all North African governments deemed apostate, including those of Algeria, Libya, Mali, Mauritania, Morocco and Tunisia. Operations were shifted into two broader sectors. Northern Algeria and Tunisia allocated a Central Emirate, and Northern Mali, Niger, Mauritania and Libya a Sahara Emirate, led by Jamel Okacha. The strategic leadership of AQIM continued to be headquartered in the mountainous region of Kabylie, east of the Algerian capital Algiers, headed by a 14-member Shura Council leadership. As the Algerian counter-terrorism campaign became largely successful in pushing AQIM out of the country, the group established new bases in Sahel countries such as Niger, Mauritania, Chad and Mali. Attacks against government and military installations were frequently underreported by Western media. In 2007, the United States and United Kingdom launched the Operation Enduring Freedom Trans-Sahara in support of governments in the region. Frequent kidnappings of foreigners in 2008 led the Dakar rally to be cancelled and permanently moved to South America. In the earliest major attack as direct spillover of the Algerian conflict, the Mauritanian army base Lamgheti was attacked by the GSPC in June 2005, killing 17 soldiers and wounding another 17. The attack in part led to a coup d'état in October 2005 by Mohammed Ould Abdelaziz, who made a campaign against jihadists a major part of his rule. Attacks continued in Mauritania until it was largely successful in thwarting attacks since 2011. Following a major military boost and political openings for Islamists, AQIM has however continued to remain active in the eastern border regions with Mali, with active support systems for logistics and information. A lack of military resources, often due to turmoil and having little population in a very large coup,